In this video, I will go through the Excel import template for sales prices. Sales prices are used if you want to sell your items to your customer to slightly different prices, or you have a campaign or something like that. So we have the fields in the top that we should import, and you can see if they are filled out with red, it means that they are required as a minimum or they are mandatory. If they have a gray background, means it looks into an underlying table where data should be stored. And if it's bold like this, it is an option that should always be in English captions. So let's go through. We have the item number down here, which of course means you have to have items in your database. Sales type, in this case, all customers and customer, and we can look into the lookup values to see what we can choose between. See customer, customer price group, campaign, and all customers, as well for the other things we have later on. And we have the sales code. In this case, we have no sales code on all customers, but on the single customer down here, we have a sales code, and that refers to the customer number. So the customer should also be imported. Starting date, if you have a period in your campaign for the customers. The currency code, if it's for a limited currency, you have this campaign. The variant code refers to your items, if you have any variants. The unit of measure, not required, but if you want to tell what it's all about. For example, down here, we have to tell that it is pieces because we have a minimum quantity of 10 pieces, for example. If you have any minimum quantity that you want your customers to order, you can enter it here, a minimum requirement for getting the reduced price, of course. And we have the unit price, and that's the price that your customers can buy your items for in this campaign. So here we have that all customers in a period, if they buy in euro, can buy item number 1000 for 1,232 euros. If prices include VAT, or if it's allowed to have an invoice discount. And we have a VAT business posting group as well we can put on. So you can also defer where you want to have your VAT posted on each line. That is overriding what is on the customer and on the item. Ending date, if we have a date that we want this campaign to end, and if we allow line discount. So line discount and invoice discount is related to when we do the invoice.